Hey, Crystal from Boto here to show you how you can use ENS lookup in any of our transaction alerts. Let's get started in the Botoverse, boto.io/bots, and we'll look up some recipes. So just type in .eth. And here we see a few pre-baked recipes. So let's choose one where we're tracking NFT sales and we want to see those transactions come through. And normally those would come through with just wallet addresses of the buyers and the sellers. But we want to see if there are any ETH addresses associated with those buyers and sellers so that we can spot any big players in that transaction. So here we've opened up the NFT sales to Discord with ENS recipe. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to track purchases within the ENS NFT collection. And so I'll grab any NFT within that collection, go to the details, click on the contract address, and copy that. Now I bring that back to Boto and paste it into the address here. And the ENS lookup blocks are already there for the buyers and the sellers and pulled into the update. So I'm going to leave that as is and just choose a channel ID. So refresh this to get into the right one, ENS demo. There we go. Then I'll click save, turn on, and now let's pull in Discord. So here you can see that a couple of sales are starting to pop up and you have the price and the price USD, the buyer and the seller. And when the buyer or the seller has an ETH name, it shows up right here. When they do not have an ETH name, it just shows none. If you want, you can also set this up with other kinds of transaction alerts, like we did it with NFT sales, but you could also do it with NFT mints to see who's minting a really hot collection, or you can track a wallet. Like let's say you're following an investor or a trader who does really interesting things and you want to see who they're interacting with. You can use this recipe, which will show you the from and to address translated into ENS if there is one there. So I hope this was helpful. Let us know if you have any questions or comments or run into any problems in the comments. We're always happy to help. And if you're a fan of automation and Web3 accessibility, give us a like or a follow. It really helps us out, and we'll talk soon.